this is the part where we get into what we call universal order, or how our planet operates, whether we're talking about a flat plane or an actual sphere. Somehow, someway, these objects that orbit around them have to work in a mathematical sequence. So let's get to the breakdown, shall we? Starting with the day. A day is approximately 86,400 seconds long, aka 24 hours, but not quite so to say, because men add in leap years, which is to say add a few seconds here and there to make it a perfect 24-day calendar to fit the Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to say we all know that the sun orbits 365 days, but no, the sun actually orbits around the earth exactly 366 revolutions. And the moon, which is also orbiting our earth, is moving a lot slower than the sun. So the moon makes exactly 15.25 revolutions around the earth. Rounded down, that's 15 point. The moon also makes 27.322 rounded down, that's 27 cycles, or phases in a 1 month time, and completes a 351 cycles altogether out of 366 days, aka 365 single day calendar in an earth year. Our sun and moon act like the hands on a watch and just circle around our planet, the sun moving faster than the moon. In fact, everything circles around our planet, yes, even the stars. Which now means, to a mathematician such as myself, if the planet is spinning at roughly anywhere to 40,000 to 60,000, well, you know what they say, it's only 1,000, so let's stick to that. It's spinning at 1,000 miles, but it's moving 40 to 60,000 miles per hour, while rotating around the sun, while the moon rotates around us, and is being pulled through the cosmos within a galaxy and clusters of other planets. Then we have to ask ourselves, is there any way in hell traveling at that through those speeds? Is it a constant twist in a huge 360 spin wobbling around the sun? How would our days ever be the same twice? Nor would you ever see the same clusters of stars. So that way you would never be able to make up a zodiac sign, because the zodiac sign would constantly flip around. Not only that, your actual north, east, south, and west would no longer be stable, for your paths and roads would remain the same because they're already edged in stone, but the rotation in the magnetic compass would show a different route, so your actual directions would never be the same on the twisting, turning, moving through the cosmos planet. Those things have to be explained, because now we have to get into what they call the moon phases. So that means there's 27 moon phases for every 1 month. That totals 15 full rotations around the earth, which equals 351 moon cycles within a 366, aka 365 day year. What matters? Because all I hear is the sun. But it appears that the moon is just as equal, and they both play a part on the flat and spherical conversation. Let's talk about it.